Good morning and welcome to all. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all on our annual presentation where today we take you on a journey through one of the most powerful chapters in the world history, Europe's socialism and Russian Revolution.
Today, we step into a time when voices rose against inequality, when workers demanded their rights, and when revolution broke the silence of oppression.
Europe's socialism emerged as a hope for the common man aiming for a world with justice, fairness, and equality. And in Russia, these ideas exploded into the revolution that shook the world, ending centuries of monarchy and beginning of a bold experiment with communism. Today, through our performances, we will relive the struggles, sacrifices, and dreams of those who dared to change the system.
So, get ready to travel back in time to the world of revolutionaries, visionaries, and change makers. Enjoy the show and let history come alive before your eyes. Thank you, and once again, a very warm welcome to all.
Now please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for short prayer. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from the depths of the truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into air-widening thought and action. Into the heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Now thought of the day. Every revolution begins not in the streets but in the silent corridors of the human soul, where the desire for dignity outweighs the fear of chaos. I repeat my thought. Every revolution begins not in the streets but in the silent corridors of the human soul, where the desire for dignity outweighs the fear of chaos. Now let come together as with open mind and active heart as we begin today's group discussion.
The Russian Revolution was a series of political events that took place from 1917 and led to the downfall of the centuries old Romanov monarchy. It marked the beginning of a new era in Russia and had global consequences. This revolution is divided into two main phases. The February Revolution, which saw the end of the Tsarist rule, and the October Revolution, where Bolsheviks seized power. Today, we will be discussing the causes, key events, and the global impact of this revolution.
Before the revolution, Russia was ruled by Tsar Nicholas, an autocrat who held absolute power. The people had no say in the government affairs and political repression was common. Despite the country's growing problems, the Tsar was disconnected from the struggles of the common people. His inability to implement reforms or understand his needs of his citizens created growing resentments among all the classes.
The Russian society at that time was deeply divided. The nobility and royal family enjoyed all the wealth and privileges while most of the population, especially peasants, lived in poverty. Serfdom had recently been abolished and land reforms were minimal. This inequality led to widespread dissatisfaction and was the key reason people were ready to support revolutionary change.
Russia's economy was heavily dependent on agriculture. Industrial development was slow and poorly managed. Factory workers in the cities were underpaid, overworked, and lived in miserable conditions. The government failed to address these issues, leading to strikes and workers' uprisings. Inflation, food shortages, and unemployment added to the growing unrest.
The World War I played a critical role in accelerating the revolution. Russia entered the war in 1914 and it quickly turned into a disaster. Millions of Russian soldiers died or were wounded, and the war drained the country's resources. Food became scarce, prices soared, and morale collapsed. Both from the front line at home, the war exposed the weakness of Tsarist regime.
Political unrest began to grow rapidly. Strikes became common in major cities like Petrograd and Moscow. People began demanding better working conditions, more food, and end to war. The government responded with force, but it only made the thing worse. Discontent grew across the military and working class, setting a stage for larger revolution.
Revolutionary ideas, especially Marxism, began to spread. The groups like Bolsheviks and Mensheviks emerged, promoting socialism and equality. The Bolsheviks, led by the Vladimir Lenin, promised the people peace, land, and bread. This simple yet powerful message appealed to the war-weary soldiers, frustrated workers, and hungry peasants, alike gaining widespread support.
The provincial government, led by Alexander Kerensky, tried to maintain stability but made key mistakes. It continued fighting in World War I and failed to address land reform or economic issues. As a result, it quickly lost the support of the people and the military. It became clear that another shift in power was coming. In October 1917, the Bolsheviks led an armed insurrection against the provincial government. With the support of the Red Guards and much of the working class, they took over the key government buildings and stormed the Winter Palace. The Bolsheviks declared a new socialist government with Lenin as its leader. This marked the beginning of Soviet Russia.
After the October Revolution, Russia plunged into a civil war between the Bolsheviks' Red Army and their opponents' White Army, which included monarchies, capitalists, and foreign power. This civil war lasted from 1918 to 1923, which caused immense destruction and loss of life. The Red Army, led by the Trotskaya, ultimately defeated the Whites, securing Bolsheviks' control.
In 1922, after winning the Civil War, the Bolsheviks united various Soviet republics under a new country, the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, USSR. This was the first communist state in the world. The USSR adopted a one-party rule and planned economy with all major industries nationalized under government control.
The Russian Revolution inspired communist movements all around the world. Countries like China, Cuba, and Vietnam would later follow similar paths. It also created fear among capitalist nations, leading to global ideological tensions. Eventually, this would result in a Cold War, a long political and military rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union.
Long-term consequences. The revolution had lasting consequences. It ended monarchy in Russia, introduced a new form of government, and influenced global politics for decades. However, it also led to authoritarian rule, suppression of dissent, and widespread purges under leaders like Stalin. While some saw it as a step towards equality, others viewed it as a period of tyranny.
In conclusion, the Russian Revolution was one of the most important events of the 20th century. It changed the course of Russian history, influenced global ideologies, and reshaped international relations. While it promised freedom and justice, the reality was far more complex. The revolution remains a topic of debate, remembered both for its ideals and its consequences. Thank you.
The beauty of classical dance just not lies in its step, but in its emotion. Let's open our heart to feel the rhythm of tradition and grace.
power to teach, inspire, and make us think. Get ready as the young performers will take you on a wonderful journey through today's sketch.
Tsar Nicholas II, the guardian of Russia, obedience brings peace.
1917 Russia, a vast empire under the rule of the Tsar Nicholas II, a king who believes in the absolute power. But the people are hungry, poor, and tired of war. Some peasants walks in looking tired and hungry.
Your Majesty, we live in hunger. We need land, bread, and dignity.
Yes, Your Majesty, we have no work and our children are starving.
Order must be kept. Your morning is perilous.
Father Gapen played a significant role in the early stages of the Russian Revolution, especially during the 1905 revolution.
Father Gapen organized a group called the Assembly of Russian Factory and Plant Workers, aiming to peacefully represent worker rights and grievances.
We are not here to rebel. We are here to protest peacefully.
Yes. We want justice. We want peace. We want land. We want bread.
You are below the Tsar. Know your place.
Soldiers start shooting and crowd screams.
This incident, known as Bloody Sunday, over 100 workers were killed and about 300 were wounded. Father Gapen inspired revolutionary strikes and unrest, leading to the 1905 revolution, which forced the Tsar to make temporary reform.
After the Bloody Sunday, the revolution spread and the Tsar had to do something. She then established the Duma.
We should establish a Duma.
Your Majesty, do not let difficult times interrupt your decision making.
We will not give the power to the people. We will only give them some voice.
The Tsar dismisses the first Duma within the 75 days and re-elected the second Duma within 3 months. He changed the voting laws and backed the third Duma with conservative politicians, liberals and revolutionaries were kept out.
Russia in World War, unprepared soldiers were lacked of food, weapons and proper clothing. Workers were overworked and underpaid.
We march with no boots, no rifles, just spears. This is not war, it's suicide.
My child has not eaten in 2 days. They ask us to sacrifice what? But what do we have left with?
Discontent increased, the Tsar power declined, the people are starving and soldier resources are running out, with Russia facing high casualties in war.
February 1917, in Petrograd, Russia, frustrated workers, women and soldiers marched into the streets. The people began to rise. Protest turned into revolution.
Look at this. One loaf of a bread cost a whole day's. We work like slaves and still go hungry.
We lost our sons and husbands in this war. And for what? The Tsar lives in luxury while we suffer.
Enough is enough. We demand peace, bread, and freedom.
The Tsar sent soldiers to crush the protest, but something unexpected happened.
Your Majesty, the soldiers have joined the protest. The Duma has taken control. You have no support left.
I abdicate. I have lost my people.
In March 1917, the Tsar abdicates. A provisional government was established but was unable to provide genuine change.
October 1917, the Tsar has gone but peace has not come. The provincial government under Kerensky has failed. People are still hungry, soldiers are tired. Lenin and Bolsheviks are preparing for a final move.
We asked for bread and peace, but got nothing.
Where is the land they promised? Still with the landlords?
Enough of false promises. The people need power, not the rich, not the landlords. We, the Bolsheviks, will give you land and bread. We and this corrupt government.
Long live Lenin! Long live the revolution!
On the night of October 25th, the Bolsheviks stormed the Winter Palace. With hardly any resistance, they took control of Petrograd. The provisional government collapsed.
In the name of the people, we arrest the members of the provisional government.
The revolution has triumphed. Power is now in the hands of Soviets.
Long live the revolution, peace, land and bread for all.
Peace, land, bread.
After the October Revolution of 1917, Lenin and the Bolsheviks came to power, but the struggle was not over. Russia plunged into a bloody civil war between Red Army versus White Army.
We fight for equality and a classless society. We want the Tsar back, down with the Bolsheviks.
Millions died. Red Army finally won. Lenin's government remained in power.
The economy was in ruins. Factories were destroyed. Crops failed. Famine killed millions of people.
Lenin banned all other political parties. Newspapers were censored. A secret police force, Cheka, punished anyone who spoke against the government.
In 1922, Lenin created the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, a new communist country.
The Russian Revolution promised peace, land, and bread, but led to civil war, hardship, and dictatorship. Still, it managed to change the world and inspired many revolutions. Thank you.
In the world of music, sometimes it's the instrument alone that weaves the most beautiful stories. Now get ready for the instrumental performance.
Now please welcome Jasleen and Ramjot for a Hindi poem.
आज सिंधु में ज्वार उठा है, नगपति फिर ललकार उठा है, कुरुक्षेत्र के कण कण से फिर 5 जने हुंकार उठा है।
शत शत आघातों को सहकर जीवित हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जग के मस्तक पर रोली सा शोभित हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
दुनिया का इतिहास पूछता, रोम कहाँ, यूनान कहाँ है, घर घर में शुभ अग्नि जलाता, वह उन्नत ईरान कहाँ है।
दीप बुझे पश्चिमी गगन के, व्याप्त हुआ बर्बर अंधियारा, किंतु चीर कर तम की छाती चमका हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
हमने उड़ता स्नेह लुटाकर पीड़ित ईरानी पाले हैं, निज जीवन की ज्योति जला मानवता के दीपक बाले हैं।
जग को अमृत का छठ देकर हमने विष का पान किया था, मानवता के लिए हर्ष से अस्थि वज का दान दिया था।
जब पश्चिम ने वन फल खाकर छाल पहनकर लाज बचाई, तब भारत से सामगान का स्वर्गित स्वर था दिया सुनाई।
अज्ञानी मानव को हमने दिव्य ज्ञान का दान दिया था। अंबर के ललाट को चूमा, अतल सिंधु को छान दिया था।
साक्षी है इतिहास प्रकृति का, तब से अनुपम अभिनय होता। पूरब से उगता है सूरज, पश्चिम के तम में लय होता। धन्यवाद। When words fail to express, music beautifully conveys, presenting a melodious English song that's sure to leave you humming.
Poetry is when an emotion finds its thought and thought finds words. So let's dive into the beauty of language with today's English poem.
In Russia's fields, so cold and white, the hungry stirred, the people cried.
The Tsar sat high on a gilded throne, while the peasants starved and died alone.
The war had rained both blood and bread, and filled the land with fear and dread.
Then voices rose in Petrograd, the workers marched with hearts so mad.
Lenin spoke with fire and will, promised peace, the land and till.
All power to the Soviets now, and seemed the throne was overthrown somehow.
A civil war, a nation torn. From revolution, a state was born.
The world had changed, a line was crossed. Much had been gained and much was lost.
But in those days, so fierce, so right.
Hope marched forward, proud and white. Thank you.
Coming up next is a soulful Hindi song that reflects our culture, emotion and tradition.
रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बनके कली बनके सवा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में रंग बनके रहेंगे हम खरामा। चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी खिजाओं या बहारें यूं ही झूमते और खिलते रहेंगे बनके गली बनके सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बनके गली बनके सबा बागे वफा में। थैंक यू।
Let's celebrate the spirit of dance, the language that everyone understands without speaking. Let's enjoy the wonderful performance.
बाबा बाबा मेरी असली बात तो तू है तानाजी। लोग वसीयत में बहुत सारी चीजें छोड़ के जाते हैं, मैं तेरे लिए कर्ज छोड़ के जा रहा हूं, इस बेटे की आजादी। तानिया मुक्का मुंगरट नाव सूबेदार तानाजी मालुसरे। जब जब शमशीरें ताने हैं आए हवाएं, सनन आंधियां उठे शत्रु जड़ से ही मिटे हमने, बात यही मन में ठानी है आए हवाएं। अब ये शीश ना झुके तेरी नाच हम तके तेरे तन नहीं समझना जग आए भवानी। पास एक खूंखार निर्दयी पेशादार था जिसका नाम था उदय भान।
पूरे हिंदुस्तान को फतेह करने का इरादा रखते हैं। हम आपको हमारा किलेदार चुनते हैं और इसीलिए हम आपके लिए एक नायाब तोहफा लाए हैं। कोंढाना खतरे में है और उसे बचाने हम खुद जाएंगे।
महाराज, आपके लिए कोंढाना ये तालियां जीत के आएगा।
तानाजी, तुम इस मुहिम पर नहीं जा सकते। तुम्हारे घर पे शादी है।
महाराज, स्वराज्य की शपथ इस शादी से कहीं बढ़कर है। लहरा दो ये भगवा झंडा और कर दो ऐलान। पहले शादी कोंढाना की, फिर मेरे रायबा की।
निकल गए मुहिम पर और फिर हुआ सामना उदय भान और तानाजी का।
लाखों का पायदार उसको फूट फूट कर रोया था। कोंढाना को जीत कर तानाजी भगवे में समाया।